Back to Hardball, now to the sideshow. First up, how'd a guy dressed up like a chicken end up in a campaign ad for the Montana Democrats? Well, it started when a Senate debate between Republican Denny Rehberg and incumbent Democrat John Tester got postponed. Rehberg said he had to be somewhere else. But if you ask the Democratic group, there's another reason why Rehberg was a no-show at that debate. Well, they say it was too chicken to face Tester. I think in Hollywood they call that high concept. Anyway,